Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Bilbo's. We're here at the shop. Wanted to give you a little tour. We've just moved in here about 4 months ago and kind of just want to give you guys the inside of what we do here. Come with me. So this boat right here, we pressure wash, sanded, and we're doing bottom paint on this one, as well as a GPS install. And then on this boat right here, we got some paint repair back here that we're doing. He nicked the side of his hull, so we're just sanding and spraying that. And then this boat right here, we bottom painted that and we gave that a full wet sand detail, as long as some gel coat repair, repaired some hatches. He just got all new engine and all new electronics on that one. It's a sweet little Boston whaler. Here, let me take you on inside. All right, so here inside the office, this is where the magic happens, where all of our business development. We have our front desk receptionist, Jean, also known as my mother. This is our front desk lobby. And here's my office in here. And then here we have our conference room where a lot of our business development ideas go on, and we just come up as a team on what we can do better as a company to provide a better level of service for our customer. And then here we just have receiving, have our shirts and some parts and materials, and our little employee lounge right here. This is basically for our guys, come and take a rest. Another one of our offices, and we just got more offices back here. This is our employee kitchen, make their lunch, keep their food. Check out what's inside of the fridge. Yeah. We got some Mountain Dew and some Dr. Pepper, and then some of that cranberry juice. Also got the shots on deck. Got to stay healthy. Cheers. All right, and then here, this is where all the work goes down. Check us out. We got a few of our guys working on a 18-foot Boston whaler. We got Nixon, one of our painters over here. And we're getting the engine cowling replaced. We're painting that and then polishing this guy up. And we just got all our materials up here. And then up there is where we paint all of our parts. This is our from one of our first vans ever, about 7 years ago. We hang it up there just as a memory to remember where we came from, and small beginnings. Acorn turns into a big oak. This is my little brother David. He's the head of our quality control or servicing. This is my forklift. I threw the 18-inch rims on there, some style. She goes all the way up. $550 horsepower. All right, well, thanks for stopping by and checking us out. Feel free to give Bilbo's a call if you have any questions or need any service on your boat. We're always there for you, and glad you stopped by. Have a good day.